Hey, what's going on, guys? You got Michael.CEO here today. Guest speaker is Dagger. So today I want to be talking to you guys how to get that first 1,000 followers, okay? Your first 1,000 followers are your most important followers. I cannot stress this enough, you guys. If you can't get your first 1,000 followers, you're not going to be able to hit 100,000 or a million followers. It's that first 1,000 followers that are the most important. Make sure to get it. Let's get into it right now. Hey, what's going on, guys? Michael.CEO here. Let's get into it. So, your first 1,000 followers. That's what we're going to be focusing on today. Today is all about getting you from 0 followers all the way up to that 1,000 goal mark. Your first 1,000 followers, you guys, I cannot stress to you how important they are. They're going to be the hardest followers to get, but they're going to be the most worth it. I'm telling you, you need that first 1,000 followers, you guys. Imagine this, okay? No matter how great your content is, I don't care if you are the best content producer in the goddamn world, if you don't have any followers to see your content and to engage with your content, no one's gonna see it. So it's all about getting people to your page. That is the first step, you guys. So let's say you make your profile, okay? You can make anything. I'm gonna use my dog as an example, okay? All right, so let's imagine here that Dagger, okay? I made Dagger an Instagram account. I'm just doing this as a complete random example. The idea is you can make an Instagram account about absolutely any topic that you enjoy. I happen to really like my dog, so we're gonna talk about my dog here, and we're gonna talk about Dagger's Instagram account. And I decided to put him down. Sorry about that, guys. Maybe he'll come back in the next scene, I don't know. So, what we're gonna do is, from Dagger's Instagram account now, we've already given him his profile picture, we've already made 2 or 3 posts to his account. The account is there, we just need the followers now, okay? So I have an account with 0 followers, hypothetically here. So the first step is gonna find related pages to your topic. So if you have a fitness account, you're gonna wanna find fitness pages. If you're trying to be an Instagram model, you're gonna wanna find other model pages, okay? You're gonna wanna do things like this. You're gonna wanna try and match your niche, okay? So, we found what niche we're in. I'm in the dog community, so that's gonna be my niche market. So I go to a dog account on Instagram and I look at their most recent post. Normally large accounts post very often, so it should be a new post almost every hour. So you wanna try and get that post as early as you can. The reason behind this is once they make that very first post, not very first post, but once they do that most recent post, you'll see people start commenting and start liking. Those people are online at that exact moment. Those are called active followers. Not really, but I'm gonna use that word because I feel like it. So we're gonna call those guys active followers because you just seen him like a picture, or you just seen her comment on a picture. You know that right now, this very second, she is literally looking at her phone like this. So what do? You click on her page and you toss her a follow. You like one of her pictures, you comment on one of her pictures, you just start engaging with them. Think about you yourself. When you're sitting at home and you're on your Instagram account and all of a sudden you get a like or you get a comment or you get a follow, you instantly go, oh, I wonder who this is. And you check out their page, okay? That's how we're gonna build our initial engagement and our initial following, guys, is we're gonna just find other niche pages that are the exact same topic as ours. We're gonna go in, we're gonna try and steal their followers. I know it sounds ruthless, but who gives a shit, you guys? We're trying to get famous. We're trying to get big on social media. This is how you do it. Find a page that's the exact same niche market as yours. Go click their page and start following, liking, and commenting on all their recent comments, okay? Try and choose their comments because accounts that are willing to comment on other pages are the most valuable followers, because the more comments that you get on your page, the better the Instagram algorithm treats your account and the more people that it shows it to. So you want people that comment on pictures often on your page. So if you go to this guy's page and you see he just commented on somebody's page, follow him right away because there's a high chance that he can become one of your followers and that he'll start commenting on your posts as well. So that's probably, you can do this, I'd say up until you get your first 100 to 200 followers. I would be doing this like every single day as much as you can. Be careful not to overdo it though, because you can get banned. I wouldn't like more than 50 pictures in a time span of an hour. And I also wouldn't follow more than 150 people a day. So do be cautious about that. All right, okay, so we're gonna keep repeating this exact same process. The whole comment, follow for follow, the comment for comment, like for like. Keep doing this in your niche market, guys. Do this every single day for as long as you can. Just keep doing it. Over abuse it. Just be careful not to get banned. That's the only thing I can really say, because they do ban for this because they'll assume that you're a robot doing it and that you're not actually a real person. And that's the only time a complication may occur. Okay, so now we have you wanna leave your posts on public so that when you do like somebody's page, they can check your page out right away, maybe like one of your pictures back, comment on one of your pictures, or if you're lucky, they may follow you. Okay, so we've gotten to our first 100, we've gotten our first 1 to 200 followers. We're starting to make some good progress here, okay? Now you're gonna wanna start to post as consistently as you can. I know people say this all the time, post consistently, post. Post consistently though, it does really help. You don't have to post at the same time every day. You don't have to post every day. Just get pictures out there. If you guys don't think they're the best picture in the world, who cares? Just put it out there. It might not get as many likes. Just get it out there, okay? You already have 100 or 200 followers, so you know if you post a picture, you're gonna start getting likes. And if you start getting likes, more people will start seeing that picture, so you're gonna start to organically gain followers at this point. So as long as you're posting, let's say, a picture a day, maybe 1 or 2 pictures a day, you should start going up, like, I'd say 5 or 10 followers per day. If you start liking and commenting and following other people at the same time as this, you should go up, honestly, I'd say 50 to like 70 followers per day. So you can get to your first 1,000 followers in probably about, I'd say, a week and a half it normally takes. So it's really not that hard. A lot of people think it's a lot harder than that, and that takes years and years of practice. It doesn't. All you gotta do is like other people's stuff. They'll come check out your page. They'll start following you depending on what your niche is, as long as they're interested in your niche. And that's why you have to make sure to only choose people that are in your niche to try and engage with their stuff first, okay? Once you get to, I'd say, your 1,000 follower mark, now is when you have the option to go private if you want to. I still honestly don't recommend this. I don't like to go private till I hit about 50,000 followers. So large captions, good captions, guys. Good captions is a deal breaker, okay? There's actually university courses that you can take for marketing on how to write a proper caption. That's how serious your caption is, you guys. The caption can absolutely make or break the picture. There's a lot of different ways, there's tricks that you can use in captions. You can ask people how old they are, and by putting that as your caption, it forces comments. They see the picture, they already like the picture, and now they're like, oh, I wonder what the caption's about. And it's like, oh, he's asking me a question. That's when they're gonna start to get a lot more personal with you, and that's when you can start to develop relationships with your followers, and that's one of the key things. So I like to say good morning on my caption every morning, and then halfway through the day, I'll ask a completely random question that doesn't really matter, but it tricks people into commenting. And then at my very last post of the day, I normally say good night as my caption. So I have people commenting good morning to me, I have people commenting good night to me, and I also have people answering my random ask questions in my captions, okay? So I like to have at least 3 tricky captions. The more like smart captions that you guys can include in your posts, the more engagement you're gonna get, the more comments you're gonna get, the more people are gonna end up seeing this post, and the more you're gonna organically grow, okay? So guys, that's honestly, it's not that hard. It's honestly pretty simple, guys. Just follow the steps that I gave you, and I promise you, you guys will have at least 1,000 followers within the next week. Peace out, Michael CEO. Good luck, guys.